Hello friends, this is part 2 of Glary Utility. I already posted part 1 and now we are going to go on part 2, which would show us the options for to clean up and repair, so on this part here we have disk cleanup. We have this option, register repair, was also found in this one-click maintenance, but we also have it here. You have shortcut fixer, you have empty folders, so you can analyze your drive to sort out empty folders. You have uninstall manager, which give you access to uninstall maybe probably softwares you are not using. So without any waste of time, let's go through the options. A disk cleaner. Okay, it's asking me to close Google because it's also going to analyze the Google cache, so I'll just say yes to that. So you have tasks. With the tasks, you have tasks that relate to Windows. You have all this. This is system temporal files. You see their sizes, and you come down here, you have browser tags, which help you to clear the cache, and you also have application. So these are some of the things that you can select what you want to analyze. So but for now it has analyzed the different options that are selected here, and it has found 42.36 megabytes of cache to be deleted, and I can click here, start cleaning, and it's going to clear those caches and keep everything clean. So let that get done, and we move to the next step. Good. So this is done, and we just clean this amount of cache data. So now I think there's no need to scan again, because when we scan, it's gonna tell us there's no longer anything. Let's just do that just for clarity. Okay, so you can see that we have 0 byte, which means the cache temporal, all the temporal caches of this system are already dealt with. So now we come to shortcut fixer. Really, I'm not gonna do anything with this. Shortcut is just like what we have on the screen here, or the shortcut on the screen. That's what you're gonna work with, but you can spend some time to discover it. If yours is resulting to error, then this can help you to fix that particular one. And let's go to empty folder. So with empty folder, you have to analyze your disks, and then that will help you to tell you if you have empty folders that are within your system. You just click on scan here, so it's telling me that all these are empty folder, but don't this is something you don't have to do, because maybe those folders are created for a reason. So before you go ahead to remove any folder, you have to ensure you know exactly what you are doing. Okay, so that being said, let's come to uninstall software. Yeah, if you want to uninstall software, especially those software that you don't use regularly, which can be security issue, which can result to vulnerability to your system. I think this tool can help you to do that. You can check recently installed software on my system. You can see that, and large program will tell you, with a rarely used program. So these are rarely used program, and you can only remove a program if you know exactly what the program is supposed to be doing. And so these are the different options here to filter uh, the um, software for you to make informed decisions. So that is it. Now I don't really have any program that I want to remove, but I'm just showing you that that is how you could do that. Okay, registry repair. Registry repair will analyze if any of your registry is having issues, then it will show here and you can run to fix it. It will give you a possibility to fix. So for right now we don't have any issue with registry. Duplicate folders, file finder. So this will analyze if you have disks here. This is where your drives are gonna show, and then you are going to, if you wanna analyze folders, then probably you have folders here, or you can add folder to analyze. Yeah, you can add a folder there to analyze. If there are some empty folders within the folder, then you can remove them. Okay, yeah, so exactly what that does. And the context menu, uh, this I really did not do anything with this, so um, let's move on to the next, which is optimize and improve. Here you have a startup manager. So it's a 80 program started on Windows startup, or this. So that's what it's trying to tell us here. So these are the program, and you can actually turn off anything you don't want running. Like for this FileZilla, I can say okay, I turn it off, and it will turn off here, you see, and I can restore it or undo the changes, right? Yeah, so that's how you can control what program will come up when your window is starting. That will help to speed up the startup time, so that's how you can manage that. Okay, that is done. Let's see about um, memory optimizer. This one I really don't want to do anything, because when you say a memory optimizer is gonna clear your memory, which means that if there's anything in memory, it's gonna remove it. That's just what it means. Okay, so now check this. Automatically fix file system error, scan for and attempt to recover attempt recovery of bad sector. So that's how you can fix bad sectors on your disks. Okay, so if you expand here, you see these are the different blocks on your disks. So if you scan, then you're gonna, these are the blocks. This is how your hard drive is structured into blocks. Okay, so that is done. Okay, software update. Here you can scan for software update, and it will show you software that for now they are not update available, but if you have any software that need update, then it's gonna show that for you. And remember, this is a free option on Glary Utility. Okay, now the fragment, like I showed you previously, that's how the disk is structured. This if you see the legend here, free space mark blue, or let me say what, um, you see green, not fragmented. Those are blocks that are already written to the green. So you have the different color here to tell us exactly what we are looking at. So free space, you can see here, and use space is this one here. So in case you wanna defrag, you can do that. So status, good. The status is ready to go. Okay, so that is what the fragment can do for you. Okay, so now the frag registry window registry can become fragmented over time, occupying more space on your hard disk than necessary, slowing down the boot time. So let's see. So you say attention, registry defragmentation requires that no program are running during the registry analysis. So but for right now, I'm not going to go that far, but I'm just trying to show you that you have a lot of stuff here. Yeah, here you can install drivers, or uninstall drivers, all those things. Yeah. Okay. So okay. So these are the uh, the tools on this optimize and improve. So well, we're gonna stop this here, and we shall come to privacy and security next. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next.